Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Roblox on your mobile device. First, head to your device's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play, and download the free Roblox application. Once installed, open the app. You'll then need to either create a brand new account, which takes just a few moments, or simply log in using your existing Roblox credentials. Make sure you have a strong internet connection for the best experience. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the home screen, which is your gateway to millions of experiences. Take some time to browse the featured games or use the search bar at the top to find a specific title or even connect with friends. You can also tap on the avatar icon to access your profile, where you can customize your character with thousands of items and manage your inventory. It's all very intuitive and easy to navigate. To jump into a game, simply tap on any game icon that catches your eye from the discovery page or your search results. Each game has a brief description and user ratings to help you choose. Once you've made your selection, look for the prominent green play button and tap it to join the game server. You'll then be transported into the game world, where on-screen controls will guide your movement and actions. Most games use a virtual joystick and action buttons. For the best mobile gaming experience, consider a few tips. Ensure your device has sufficient storage and a strong Wi-Fi connection to prevent lag. Using headphones can significantly enhance your immersion with game sounds and music. Also, remember to regularly check for updates to the Roblox app in your App Store. These updates often bring performance improvements, new features, and bug fixes, ensuring you always have the smoothest and most enjoyable gameplay possible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.